Hi y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we are tackling a to-do project that has been in my to-do bin. I'm going to be making a beret today, and not just any beret, a heart-shaped beret. To make this wonderful heart-shaped beret today, I'm going to be following a pattern I purchased off of Etsy from Janknits Hooked, so definitely check them out. I'll put a link to this pattern in the description below. I thought this would be a good project to do a little yarn destashing, so I checked out what I had, and I had this wonderful Red Heart Super Saver yarn in cherry red. Probably not my first choice, but it's what I have on hand, so let's get do it. All right, so the first thing that we have to do is we're going to be making a chain, and then we're going to be slowly building up from that chain to create our heart. Let's go ahead and do our chain. 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah. So now we have the next 13 stitches. Like that. Do it around the corner. Off to a great start here. Alright, well, after restarting after restarting a couple times, I think I finally got the V that I needed to get for the base of the heart for the hat. Now I'm going to actually crochet here and then go back around the other side of the V. Let's do that. All right, so now we're going to be doing 5 double crochets. I hate the start of projects if you make the tiniest little error. This has like this rippling effect throughout the whole project. So like if you miss like one stitch in the beginning, your whole project's gonna get and 5 and then
a few moments later.
It is actually look like a heart now.
Hooray!
So that's exciting. So I'm gonna go ahead and continue on. There might be some time lapses and stuff, and we'll see how this goes. At some point in time on this side, I got an extra stitch. I don't know how. It still looks okay. It doesn't look lopsided, but I have a feeling that if I go further, it might look lopsided. We're just gonna YOLO this and hope for the best. And if it looks like hot garbage, I will make another one. All right, we're gonna continue on. Roll that beautiful yarn footage. Help you, Mel? No, you can't. You can't lay in the hat. You can't. I'm I'm a little bit more than halfway done. At this point in the pattern, the author suggests that I use some stabilizer to really make this stiff. Unfortunately, I didn't get any of that for this project, so we're gonna forget about that for right now. We're just about there, so here we go. I can do it. All right, y'all, you ready to see it? Wow! It looks like a heart. It is so stinking cute. I have not tried it on yet, so I hope it fits. So let's go try it on and see what it looks like. All right, here it is. Look at it. It is fabulous. I absolutely adore it. Loving it. Loving it. Let's show the back. All right, y'all. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you had a good time watching me make this hat. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe so you can get notified of when I post new videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye! Peak of fashion.